Our son-in-law Ryland worked his way through Bartlesville Wesleyan College in Oklahoma by roofing, and so he's our roofing guru, and he's not here yet, so we're just doing the grunt work of ripping off the shingles from the back of the house and the garage. Rob's taking lag bolts out of the roof.
The hard way.
Yeah, the hard way.
So where do we go from here?
Architectural shingles are 40 to 50% more expensive than the other kinds. Still, it is considered a better investment because the life expectancy of the 3-tab shingles is, at the very best, half of that of the architectural shingles. I'd like to suggest that when you get to the part where we're roofing, you might want to turn on closed captions. We were listening to 60s music at the time, and I thought since it was in the background that would be legal. But since I've been making this video, I checked and I've learned we will be booted off. We're in Nebraska and we happened to get lucky and catch it in a couple of days when the wind wasn't blowing. Here's an old school trick that works if it is. Staple hay baling string around the edges of the paper and the wind won't blow or tear it off. And then you can shingle right over the top of the string.
Bring it on.
My window was big enough, I could fit through, you guys told me not to. But, goodness, we might have to quit having school because we don't have enough teachers. In the hour that I was there, I got called by Wood River again.
So I'm setting this board right here. Get me in any better shape than down there.
Alright. Doesn't seem too bad. I think probably alright. Just line it up with this maybe like an 8. I like to put it about an 1/8 above so it's not exactly flush.
Above or below the line?
Above. You don't want to
like that?
That's looking really good.
Some of these guys are popping back.
They do.
Yeah, this is a good song.
Yeah, it is.
It's going to be here a while. It should be fine.
4:30. The 5 Moreland kids.
Staple
You got all
that
5. You
to
can
the
hold
other
it.
side so you don't have a seam there.
Hold it.
Tuck it under and take it to
I still have to hold it pulled up.
Yeah, but you're okay. She can help me.
Good point, because you don't want it to blow off tonight.
Always come get us.
And then
Oh,
just
yeah.
like
You
along
can
that
send
edge.
pull them down here to get us. You'll be fine. Is the home phone charged? Well, you can pick it up and go by. We left the door unlocked. Did you leave the door unlocked? Okay, we're doing this.
Okay, make sure you get the staples in. And where's those others?
I'm just helping Grandpa. Sure he knows what he's doing. I'm just
Like I
helping.
said, when you stand on this, you want to make sure you have staples in it, but you don't have to. I mean, the thought is one per little bullseye.
But you don't know that.
No, but you still have to make sure you get it covered.
Okay.
So just keep it pretty straight because that's what guides you as you're going up the roof. And then if you see anything sticking up before you lay it, you want to make sure everything is flat. Because this is what keeps your roof from leaking.
who this is?
Yep.
Yes.
Trying to figure out what's the best way to do this.
Needs to go up.
I thought he said black. You don't want black on black? Or
He wants the black.
The underside black line.
Okay.
You're at the bottom of this black line.
Yeah, so it's got to go up. Right there. Where'd you get those wild shoes?
Kind of a long time. Off eBay. I don't pay a lot of money for running shoes anymore. I usually find people who buy them and don't like them. They wear them 3 or 4 times. I've had a few not so good, but for the most part.
Corner over there somehow. This is tight. That's,
Plumbing?
yeah, it's about, it would be an inch and a half above the end out there, because I think we can tuck a bunch of that under. I'm not sure how much.
Right there.
Yeah, get pushed up under the edge on this down here on the bottom. Come down this way and come towards you. Come from there out this way.
So these are supposed to look like #1 wood shakes.
Could have
So,
fooled me.
part that's not fun is when you're on a 2-story trying to put this first row on.
Ooh, yeah. Let's. Is this cheaper than tin?
What's that?
Is this cheaper than tin?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
About a third the price,
Oh my gosh.
and I would definitely do steel.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna stay here, but I'd like it to look really nice, and I'd like to sell it.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes this architectural shingle just makes it look nice.
Yeah, it does.
But I mean, they'll only last, assuming that you don't have a major hailstorm, like 20 or 30 years.
Oh. Those are kind of neat.
Yeah, not very sturdy, but they're pretty neat.
Oh, okay.
I've had a great time, but I have to go.